Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, Antoria J, back with another video today. I'm just going to be doing a part 2 on how to get these flawless crimps. So y'all want to stay tuned to the end so you can learn all my tips and tricks. Okay, so first I just begin by sectioning my hair into 3 parts. I do the 2 sides and then the back section. So I'm going ahead and starting on my first section, or my second section. So what I like to do is, you can use any kind of hairspray you have, any kind of oil or oil sheen that you have, and I just like to spray the hairspray first on the hair, then I go in and spray the oil sheen, go ahead and comb it through, and this just basically help the crimps last a little longer and help them be more crisp or whatever. So yeah, go ahead and spray your hairspray and your oil. And the hairspray, the oil kind of help with the hair not being crunchy, because you know hairspray can make your hair a little hard. So the oil sheen just kind of soften it up a little bit. So now I'm just going ahead and starting the crimping process. I like to start at the top. And a little trick or key is to, when you're at the top, the hair is naturally thicker, and it gets thinner as you get to the bottom. So when you're at the top, you want to hold it on there for a little bit longer than what you would do at the end. Okay, and then like I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched part 1, go check that out first, then come back here. But with crimping, how to get the flawless crimps is you basically just follow the line as I just showed y'all right there. Right there, you see that line? You just put your crimp iron right there. You literally just keep following that line, and you want to stay in a consistent pattern. That's how you get the perfect looking waves or crimps. You just got to keep the same pattern throughout the whole section of hair. So I'm gonna keep showing y'all what I'm doing. Basically, it gets really repetitive, but that line right there, boom, you just put the crimp iron right there, and you just keep going till you reach the end of the hair. Just keep following the line. So this does get a lot repetitive, so I'm gonna just let y'all see. You just watch what I'm doing, you can literally tell what I'm doing. So okay, so another thing I did want to mention is, when you're in the back section, I just do 5 sections. So I did 4 in the middle, and then that last piece at the back, I just put it right down the middle so you don't see that line in the middle. And then when you get to the 2 top sections, which is what I'm on now, I only do 2 sections at the front. On the side and the front, I only do 2 sections, because you don't want your hair to be big and bulky. That's what we don't want. We want our crimps to be flawless and sleek. We don't want to be Humpty Dumpty. We don't want it to be lumpy and big, and we want it to be sleek and flawless. So the less sections, the better. Less is more when it comes to crimps. Yes, so I just use 2 sections. It's okay if your sections are kind of thick. It's just as long as they're not too thick. So it's okay for them to be pretty big though. So that's pretty much it, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crimp these last 2 pieces. Okay, y'all, so these are the final results. As y'all can see, it's nice and sleek and beautiful. Stiff wear, honey, stiff wear. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.